Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to make enemies shoot missiles in Space Shooter minigame. So here we are in update function, and you can see this tiny bit of code that makes it happen. So first of all, remember every time I created an alien, I pushed it inside an aliens array. This line checks whether the array length is not 0. If it would be 0, then the rest of the code would try to access objects that does not exist, and that would crash the game. So you have to check this one. After that, remember how I taught you to set a timeout? So here there is another one that makes sure the code is executed after 3000 milliseconds. And now what I want is that you have this alien, and after 300 milliseconds a shot is created. Now actually that shot is in no way bound to the alien, it's just that it has almost the same coordinates as that alien. And now when the second one appears, you can see this one is shooting. Now the first one, now maybe, yeah, the first again. So they're randomly accessing the aliens in the array and choosing the coordinates of that random alien. So how to do it? First of all, what I'm doing is here you can see this this code, this line that is generating a random number between 0 and the length of the aliens array. In that case, I would make sure there are the number isn't bigger than the array's length. So you have this line, and well, yeah, you have this line and generating between 0 and the length of the aliens array. And let's look at this example. Imagine these lines, these boxes is the array. So there are 5 elements in total in the array, meaning that the random number generator will generate numbers between 0 and 5, including those numbers. So in that case, I would probably just write down this small line of code, which would make sure the shot is located almost at the same place as the alien. Well, no. This line will not work. Why? Because, well, look at this array. Remember how indexing starts. Well, here, well, I am showing you where the index is written. So the random number represents the index of that random alien. So here, look at the indexing of these elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if in case the random number generator creates something with index generates number 5, in that case it will put it will search for the alien with index 5. But there are no such alien. There are only the last alien is with index 4. So this will make the game crash in case the random number will generate 5. So there's another alternative. Just detract -1 from the random number. That should solve the problem. But in that case, if it will generate 0, it will detract 0 minus 1 is -0. And there is no such element with -0 at the beginning of the array. So again, the game will crash. So how to go around it? What I did in the code is I checked if the random number is 0, then just access the first element of the array and put the shot in these coordinates. But in another case, if the random number is not 0, put it in these coordinates, and if the random number is not 0, in that case, detract from the random number -1 and then put the shot in these coordinates. Now, of course, there's a little fault in this because the first element of the array will shoot, or the first alien will shoot slightly more than the rest because, well, here in the first part of code it says alien 0, but in the second part 1 minus 1 is 0, so again it will access the first element. But that's a minor problem, and it doesn't make much of a significance. So the last thing, it's very important that the alien does not fly out of the viewport. So how to do it? Every time a shot is executed, it checks the x coordinates of the alien. If they are smaller than 900 pixels, then the alien just stops. So on the last last important bit is to make sure the missile is flying 200 pixels per second, or bigger, or faster, or slower, as you like. And the missile is pushed inside the alien shoots array for easier access later. And the last thing, this shoot time is this game time now. That is it, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.